Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we are to do water and land. And I've got these little boys who are fishing, and I've got these little girls who are picking flowers. So that's my water and that's my land. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. And I hope y'all are having a great and wonderful day. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm using some old glue book pages and I'm just folding them in half. And I'm going to make side tucks with them. I've got lots of scraps, so I'm going to collage some on my folded glue book pages to give me a background. Now I'm going to take a circle punch and punch notches into my cards. I'm going to ink up my decorations and I'm just going to attach them with art glitter glue and glue stick. Along with my prompts, I'm also going to add on some labels and some lace. I'm attaching my lace with Fabri-Tac. And I'm also going to round the corners where my notch is. After I finish inking up around my side tucks, I decide to go around the pictures with Stabilo All, and then I use a water pen to smear that so that it will bring out the picture more. After I do this, I decide to add some white splatters using watered down gesso, and I also use black watercolor to add black splatters. I dry in between my white splatters and black splatters by using a heat gun. Here's my finished project. I decided to do side tucks, and I just collaged a book page, folded it in half for my glue book, and I think they turned out cute. I've got my water and I've got my land. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. I really appreciate you all. And y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.